how to cash on Cash App or how to withdraw cash from Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash or withdraw cash on Cash App. Now, the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, once you open up your Cash App, you want to tap on the banking tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. At the bottom, you'll find essentially the banking tab. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should get an interface like this. There, you want to tap on the option that says cash out. Once you tap on the cash out option, you'll be able to enter in the amount. You want to enter the amount that you wish to cash out and then tap on the cash out option at the bottom. Once you do so, you'll like to choose. You want to choose how would you like to deposit the or cash out the amount. It is the standard waiting time or instant. With instant, there will be a particular fee, and then you want to simply select an option and then go ahead, and that cash will be particularly deposited to your account you choose, or you can cash out this way on Cash App. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.